Ukuthi into wrong ingagcina isibonakala ngazuthi i-right ngenxa yokuthi siyenzeke isikhathi eside nalabo abayenzayo i-wrong bebe entitled ngani ngokuthi sebenza isikhathi eside they are used to it yangithi uyibona leyo nto leyo khona umuntu oseyijwayele into uthi ayikho right and naye reasoning deep down uyazi ayikho right la sinenkinga ye-South Africans and leshani sizobreakela yona down captain ube ne-understanding because angifuni ukuthi singabi united kule situation because it affects us sonke la captain sinomakhelwane bethu omakhelwane bethu bavumelekile ukuza kwi-country yethu but kumele kube khona imigomo abayihambayo ukuze bengene kwi-country yethu thina njengama-South Africans asoze sibe nendaba ne-South African elise-USA elingana-document reason being is realistic thina mfethu ukucha ukuthi omunye wethu musukubheda musukusirepresenta kabi kuleyo ndawo Grand Sharp komakhelwane bethu abanye bafikile illegally sangaba nankinga nabo sangabaxakazisa konganamsinda ngithi uyayizwa lento captain sabahlalisa beyichazile inkinga zabo sishelwe lapha yana indlala isibulele inkinga iningi hayi makhelwane ayikho inkinga singabona sihlanganisa kanjani la umakhelwane usefikile inkinga umakhelwane ke sina sesikhala ngeinkinga manje makhelwane sizamile ukukuvusa siyabona impilo iqala hlangana nasekhaya bathi sekumojo ungabuyela ekhaya cha umakhelwane akasafuna ukubuyela ekhaya umakhelwane usefuna ukuchazela wena ukuthi ngeke ngina 21 years ngihlala la kwakho manje muthi angibuyele ekhaya ngoba angisazi umuntu ekhaya ngisakhuphula ishilo inkinga zakhe umakhelwane usezenza inkinga zakho makhelwane wena ngakuhlalisa ngoba wawusenkingeni njengamanje mina sengumuntu osenkingeni reason being is makhelwane usebenzisa ama resources ami imina okhokha tax awuyikhokhi tax makhelwane wena kunama siblings akho nobhuti bakho asebefundisa ema institutions bawo professor bamadini bayini sineyingane ena same qualification makhelwane engawatholi ama opportunities ingane zethu sizezajwayela ukuthi i-unemployment kusho thina sidalelwe imisebenzi ibikhona imisebenzi because mawukuthi uyabheka lapha kwiMatlanga Commission captain ngine-history uprofessor ene-PhD applyile kwesinye isigele kade ekhuluma laphayana mfethu uMr Soul wathi le ahlotmane leyana efakula yina abawujudge uyabona siyalimala mfethu imisebenzi iyadayiswa maningi ama-lectures mawufunda e-university obona ukuthi le lecture le akuyona yalapha sinabo abantu bala abafundile fangabe bayasikelezisa but abawathola ama-opportunities ubobona mangabe kuphuma ama-recruitment wathiwathi noma ama-document ukuthi abantu abamnyama baphumani ama-South Africans aphumani so ama-South Africans alazy nani lezi iy'tolo ey'vulwe ekuseni ngo-4 zivulwe obani abalazy so nayo i-situation njengoba ngikubeka captain umakhelwane usefila entitled manje umakhelwane useyishaya isifuba khona enye ividiyo nje kade circulator yomunye usiswe Somalian esho ukuthi we are taking over izikole zenu nina ni useless sizothatha i-economy yenu awukwazi ukukhuluma kanjalo sibhekene nesituation ekanje is affects leyo situation sizoba nama leader angahlali nathi because awukwazi ukusolve i-situation yala ongahlali khona uthabo Mbeki mengabe ethi akuyona issue lesikhala ngayo bafethu nina nirepresenta thina nifuna ukuza ukuthi sikhala ngani siyanitshela manje into esikhala ngayo nawe lento Hlotmane wawukhala ngayo ngenkathi uhambela izitolo ufuna ukucheck abantu ukuthi ba documented yini imisebenzi itholakala rightfully nani uyasijikela manje and lokhu sijikela kwakho understand kwenzakalani ayinzo yibona inkinga ningi kanjani Thabo Mbeki uthi inkinga akubona abantu bokufika when it come to indaba yemisebenzi thina siyakutshela wena awufuni umsebenzi wena awuhlali la sihlala khona siyakutshela wena ufuna ukusitshela ukuthi itheory yakho nebelief yakho ithini thina sikutshela inkinga yethu njengomuntu owayethe wena uzolwela inkinga zethu nazi inkinga zethu nithi nina akuzona inkinga zethu lezi hayibona imhlolo siyanitshela nje ukuthi izona lezi inkinga zethu nina no uzona inkinga zenu lezi thina siyazazi ithina sazi inkinga zethu thina sabantu besilisa ayikho into esingayikhomenta ngesilumo asisazi singafunda ngasebhukwini singaba ne-idea ngoba sikelezile asikaze sibe nesilumo lesi siphatha amachiri so amachiri ane-understanding yesilumo asikwazi ukubuza ukuthi how does it feel mase umuntu ekutshela mase ufuna ukumphikisa njani ungayazi situation so siyanitshela ukuthi thina si-affecteke kanje abafethu abasebenzi ama-seisteretara namasaluni esithawa ayagaxela kakhulu blind ama-South Africans akhokhiswa amarenti angayenzi sense kuningi sithi thina sicela ukushawa umoya kancane siyikhanda and asinankinga nabantu abala legally sithi thina laba bafike la ngokungamvumo sindo suka lapho ngeke siye ndawo thina siyawazonda ama-South Africans asiniphikisi ukuthi niyawazonda washiyeni phela kwi-country yawo uhlala kanjani emzini omuntu omzondayo ngenkani asindawo hawu mfethu siyanivuma ukuthi ni smart nihlakaniphile ninswebhu ngayo yonke into sithi thina hambani leshandi sinoyenza-ke ngasemakini vele ninayo le nto anisidingi futhi asiyindawo bafethu musani kusenza kanje bafethu le nto akumele kube into esibreaker apart as Africans or South Africans. We need to think, sicabangeni sibe realistic. Musukuzenza islim usemzini yabantu ugoloza ukuhamba akugcini lapho wena usuphethe i-remote akugcini lapho usulala wena kwi-main room akugcini lapho usushisa impepho khona akugcini lapho usutshela iy'ngane zakhona ukuthi kuningi niyazi ukuthi abantu bala e-South Africa abashayela ama-truck abanama-passport more than 6 bewavezile bewaproduce ukuthi kuba njani kunganamsindo reasonani lento yobukhokho bethu uba kanjani isigore emzini yabantu bethu engaso ngitshayela mina ikakhumalo lana bethu wena uyena wakhumalo but usubeka imithetho kakhumalo ukugolozela abantu bakakhumalo manje i-wrong into bafethu like ibukeni nani siyazi ne-prostani seniyasazi isizulu abanye benu ibukeni bani realistic yabo bonke labantu abagcwele lapha endaweni abangumsindo esinamaphepha mawuthi unephepha kukhulunywa nawe kuthiwe abantu abala illegally. Why wena ube nenkinga manje wena phuma kulento wena uyi-South African angithi thula-ke thina wena uyayikhumbula iprocess owayehamba ukuze ube la cabanga nomuntu ola ongayihambanga leyo process uthi wena akayekwe wena uyihambela le process uyahlanya kusho uthi wena hey buve.
Molweni guys, I hope you all are good. Igama lam Ndinguzanele. I'm a South African who currently legally lives and teaches English in South Korea. I've been following on this crisis that is going on back home about illegal immigrants demanding to be sheltered in South Africa for reasons I'll never understand. I'm a foreigner in this country. I'm here by visa. There's certain rules I have to abide by, and failure to do so, I'll be deported within a blink of an eye. I have a responsibility to go to the immigration office every year to show that I'm still fit enough to carry on my duties as a teacher. Should I change my address, my physical address, I have a responsibility to go to the immigration office to let them know within 2 weeks of changing my address. Failure to do so would result to me having to pay a certain fine. Also, there's things I cannot do in this country, and if ningafunyanwa taking part in those things, I'd have to be deported. I know my do's and don'ts in this country because I know that if ndiyendafunyanwa ndizenza ezo zinto, that's going to be the termination of my visa in this country. So I know to be a legal and abiding foreigner, And then there are people who are in South Africa illegally, and they think they have the rights to be rude and demand to not be thrown away or be taken home or be deported. I was watching a live by, what was his name, Kenny West or something. That's a very rude Congolese man. I don't know who he thinks he is, because I myself, where I am right now, I'm a foreigner. But I know what I should do and what I should not do because I am Dingengile Apa. Because I know if I do something that is wrong, I'm going to be taken back home. And it's literally home. For as much as I'm going to be losing my job and everything, it's home, guys. And that's why I got to be taken back home. And also, I think people tend, especially South African people, they tend to overlook Lendo Yoba. Why are people being deported back home? Because I was seeing on a lot of videos when someone takes a video of foreigner people and they think they're actually nice people, but amani nice lona bonakala ngathi nobele makahlale no nayi makangahambi lona blah 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 blah. Excuse me, I feel like people are losing the plot of why the people are being deported in the same place, because they are not in South Africa legally. They are not in South Africa legally. Whether you're a nice person, whether you bring so much change to the community, whether uqiniswa ezikhiya, whether uyakoletisa ngemilimili, but if you're there illegally, then you have to abide by the laws of a certain country if you want to be part of it. And yes, why South Africa kukwavula zibuqe? I honestly do not know. I've been in South Korea for almost 2 years now. I'm about to start my 3rd year, and I know very well that should I do anything that I'm not supposed to do, they would never think twice. they would have to take me home immediately. So I really wish that South Africa could also have this sense of, I don't know what to call it, but amanyamazwe, for example, the one that I'm in, law is very followed in South Korea, and there isn't even that much of crime. Like, I wouldn't even compare South Africa to the country that I'm in right now because it's very safe in like many terms. So I really wish Nam, as a foreigner in this country, I could have this back home, you know, because it's way too different. That is why these foreigner people feel it's okay to just get in there, speak however they want, and do however they want, because akho mthetho. Ikhaya lingenamthetho kwakhona, abantwana bayangena bayaziphumela kokwavula zibuqe. I really wish that this cause that's going to happen on the 30th of June will actually make a difference, and it's going to be a new start for our country, you know. That would really be a nice thing, because hi mani, that's just, it's too much.
To foreign nationals that are in South Africa, whether legally or illegally, I want to tell you something about South Africans that you don't know. In fact, we are giving you a long, extremely long rope. At the end of the rope, if you haven't changed your behavior, if you haven't done right by us, I promise you, it is extremely late for you. We won't change our minds about you, your behavior, your president, your country, your skin color, nothing whatsoever. That's us South Africans.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosi waseMzansi. South Africans are calling out my foreigners who are stubborn, saying ukuthi bona they are not going anywhere. Bayahlala South Africa, bahlete South Africa boma 21 years, 20 years, and they are saying because the entitlement that foreigners have, like it's just crazy. Njengoba sivana sisilofundisa kulapha eKorea, uyasho ukuthi that side that there are rules that she needs to follow, and she is following them, because if angalandzela uma rules lawo she'll be deported. And why ma foreigners angakhoni kulandzela imithetho uma kufika eSouth Africa? Uthi afisa ukuthi ngathi South Africa ingafana nalamanye amave umthetho wakhona ucine, ma foreigners angakhoni ngisho nokutendela, njengoba sivile eCaptain uthi lama politicians aphikisa thina masibajela ukuthi ma foreigners asithathela imisebenzi, ma foreigners enda lokhu nalokhu, and bona baphikisa thina sibe labantu siyabadi siphila nabo emalokishini. Do comment your thoughts down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I'll see you on the next one. I'm signing out. Goodbye.